Welcome. This is Melinda Barlow, CZT, Certified Zentangle Teacher. And today's Tangle Pattern lesson is Delbin by Kasturi Des. I'm sure I didn't say that quite properly, but it's a great little tangle. And it's quick and easy and a beautiful little flower. So we're going to start out, and I'm going to use the tile, and I'm using a blue pen, and we're going to make a little figure 8 loop that kind of looks, it's got 3 little sides. I'm going to come in a little bit so you can see, and they're not exactly perfect, but that's okay. Then we're going to draw a line up with a little hook on the end of it, and I'm going to rotate around. So we have 3 of those, and then we will make our little petal. I thought that was ingenious. Have little step outs. And there we have her tangle pattern. Oh. Except she echoes this. And I noticed when it was done, they elaborated a little. Let's do one more of those, and then we'll see what we can. So we make a little loop, another little loop, and another little loop. Then we echo each one of those. Then a line comes up, kind of curves out around that, and a little hook on the end of it. This one's just going to come up, and it's going to be underneath that, so the little holly bow effect. And then we add the little top, and I'm wondering, we might have added that little top right there. See, I kind of echoed it under. Let's do another one. A little petal or teardrop shape, 3 of those, then echo, 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 or aura. I just have a hard time with then the little hooks, and then the top of the petal. And again, I have it underneath. Now you could add other petals to this or other designs. I have here, I've added just different designs to it. So, but I kind of like the little original design. And there we go. Let's scan back out because we are going to do a little coloring or do a little enhancement on these. We could give it a little fescue. And isn't it terrible? Sometimes I just can't remember the names of tangles. I'll put it in the description below. But I love fescue. I use it a lot. It's a great little enhancement. And I love little circles. They're great enhancements. But let's shade this so we get the real true picture. And I used a blue pen, so I'm going to use a blue Prismacolor pencil, and I'm going to add a little color to here. And I'm just going to go on just a little tiny bit on those leaves. I just want a little bit of color here. And then I get out my shading stump and my odorless paint thinner that I put in a little tiny jar with a sponge. And then I am going to blend out my odorless paint thinner. So we just blend that color out. And you can just, oh, I didn't put any color on this one. Little color here and here. This really enhances shading. You can shade with graphite, but when I use a blue pen, I love to get that whole effect of blue. So we are really shading out. And I'm going to take my gray. I have a cool gray color that is gray. It's a lot like a graphite, and I could add a little bit of gray to these. And it will, we can add some more embellishment, but you'll see this on my blog, so I will add more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a great day, and don't forget to tangle every day.